Look around you, what do you see? Take a moment to really observe your surroundings. Maybe a chair, a table, or your own hand. These everyday objects might seem ordinary, but they hold extraordinary secrets. You know what? Those things are made of atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of everything around us. And guess what atoms are made of? They consist of even smaller particles. These smaller particles include protons, neutrons, and electrons. Each of these plays a crucial role in the structure of matter. It's amazing. The universe is full of wonders, even at the smallest levels. The more we learn, the more we realize how intricate and fascinating our world is. Two of these tiny wonders are carbon and nitrogen. These elements are fundamental to life as we know it. Don't let their size fool you. These elements are essential to life and have incredible properties. Carbon forms the backbone of organic molecules, while nitrogen is a key component of proteins and DNA. Carbon is the foundation of all living things on Earth. Every plant, animal, and human is built from carbon compounds. Nitrogen helps plants grow and forms the air we breathe. It's a vital nutrient for plant growth and a major component of our atmosphere. We encounter these elements every day without even realizing it. They are part of our daily lives in ways we often take for granted. They're in the food we eat, the clothes we wear, and even the air we breathe. Pretty cool, right? Imagine how different life would be without them. But there's more to these elements than meets the eye. Scientists are constantly discovering new properties and uses for them. Get ready to explore the amazing world of carbon, nitrogen, and the mind-blowing realm of antimatter. Antimatter is one of the most intriguing and mysterious substances in the universe, and it challenges our understanding of physics. Antimatter is the opposite of regular matter, with particles that have opposite charges. When matter and antimatter meet, they annihilate each other in a burst of energy. This phenomenon has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. It opens up possibilities for new forms of energy and even space travel. So, next time you look around, remember that the universe is not just out there in the stars. It's right here in your backyard, in every atom and particle that makes up the world around you. The universe is a wondrous place full of mysteries waiting to be explored, and it all starts with the simple act of looking around and asking questions. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep discovering. The universe is yours to uncover, one atom at a time. Carbon is a building block of life. It forms the basis of all organic molecules, making it essential for the structure and function of living organisms. It's the key ingredient in DNA, the molecule that carries genetic information in all living beings. DNA acts as the blueprint of all living things, guiding the development and functioning of every organism. Without carbon, we wouldn't exist. It's present in every cell of our bodies, playing a crucial role in our biological processes. But carbon isn't just about life. It's also about energy. Fossil fuels like coal and oil are rich in carbon and have been used for centuries to power our world. We burn these fossil fuels to release energy stored in carbon bonds, which powers industries, homes, and transportation. This energy powers our homes and cars, enabling modern conveniences and technological advancements. However, burning these fuels also releases harmful gases into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution and climate change. Finding cleaner ways to use carbon-based fuels and developing renewable energy sources is a big challenge for our planet's health. Scientists are working tirelessly to create sustainable solutions for a greener future. Here's a fun fact: carbon can be found in different forms. It can be hard like a diamond or soft like graphite in your pencil. This is because of how carbon atoms bond together. Carbon's versatility is astounding. It's used in everything from airplanes and cars to medicines and plastics. Scientists are always discovering new ways to use carbon, making it one of the most exciting elements to study. Take a deep breath, feel the air fill your lungs. You're breathing in mostly nitrogen. It makes up about 78% of the air we breathe. Pretty important, right? But nitrogen is more than just air. It's a vital nutrient for plants. Farmers use nitrogen-based fertilizers to help crops grow bigger and faster. This helps feed the world. Section 5. Nitrogen, from fertilizer to fireworks. Nitrogen is a master of transformation. It can be found in many forms, each with unique properties. For instance, nitrogen is essential in producing fertilizers that help feed the world. But it's also used in making explosives like dynamite. Nitrogen's versatility is both fascinating and a little bit scary. Section 6. The twists and turns of nitrogen's personality. Nitrogen can be tricky. It can exist as a gas, a liquid, or even a solid. Its behavior changes drastically depending on the temperature and pressure. For example, liquid nitrogen is extremely cold and can freeze things instantly. It's used in medicine to preserve tissues and in the food industry to make ice cream. Understanding nitrogen's different states is crucial for using it safely and effectively. Section 7, Antimatter, a mirror universe. Now, let's dive into something truly mind-boggling, antimatter. Imagine a world where everything is the opposite. Up is down, black is white, and matter is antimatter. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. Antimatter is made up of antiparticles, which have the opposite charge of regular particles. When matter and antimatter meet, they annihilate each other in a burst of pure energy. Section 8, Antimatter, the ultimate energy source. The energy released from matter-antimatter annihilation is enormous. When matter and antimatter collide, they annihilate each other, converting their mass into pure energy. This process releases energy far beyond what we can achieve with conventional sources. It's far more powerful than any energy source we know. For instance, the energy from a single gram of antimatter is equivalent to the energy produced by burning thousands of tons of fossil fuels or even a nuclear explosion. Just a small amount of antimatter could power entire cities. Imagine a future where our cities are lit up and powered by this incredible source of energy, reducing our dependence on traditional fuels. Scientists are working hard to understand and control antimatter. They are conducting experiments in high-tech laboratories, using advanced equipment to study its properties and potential applications. It has the potential to revolutionize space travel and energy production. With antimatter, we could build spaceships capable of traveling at near light speeds, opening up new possibilities for interstellar exploration. Imagine spaceships traveling at near light speed or a world free from fossil fuels. Antimatter could also complement renewable energy sources like wind and solar, providing a stable and powerful energy supply. However, antimatter is also incredibly dangerous. The same properties that make it a powerful energy source also make it highly volatile. A runaway antimatter reaction could be catastrophic. The energy released in an uncontrolled reaction could cause massive destruction, making safety a top priority. Harnessing its power requires extreme caution and advanced technology. Researchers are developing sophisticated safety measures and protocols to ensure that antimatter can be used safely and effectively, paving the way for a new era of energy.